Hi, this project is brain stroke prediction using machine learning in Flask framework. Now I am showing the running process of this project. This is my source code. So first I copy my file path and compile on Anaconda prompt. In Anaconda prompt, first I change the directory. After that I active my Honda environment. This is my virtual environment. After that I enter my running command. In this project, my running command is Python app.py. Now it's written the one local URL. Okay, this is my local URL. Once I copy this and then I put it on Chrome. Okay, this is my home page, brain stroke prediction using machine learning. It's written the sum of the introductions about brain stroke. In algorithm module, it shows the what are the algorithms we are used. In this project, we are used 4 algorithms: logistic regression, SVM, KNN, and then finally we used decision tree. After that, it's showing some of the tips about the brain stroke. So, how to avoid the brain stroke? Through the blood pressures and cholesterol, and then diet. In login module, you can easily log in our account. Before that, I register my account. First, I enter my username. After that, I enter my mail ID. And then I enter my password. And repeat my password. Now I register my account and then I move to the login page. So here first I enter my username and then password. After the registration, it's moved to the brain stroke prediction module. Here we can upload our dataset. Now I am showing the datasets of this project. In this project, we are using CSV dataset. Okay, this is my dataset. Now I upload my dataset. And then I click the upload dataset. So it shows the scatter plot for age versus glucose level. So it shows the age as the classification. 0 means no stroke, 1 means stroke. In that way, we can find out the stroke level. In heat map plot, here also showing the classes. 0 means no stroke and 1 means stroke for glucose level versus body mass index. Okay, this is my historical plot. Here we can view our data sets, unknown and smoking and never smoked data sets and formerly smoked data sets. It depends on age versus working type. In pie plot, we can easily find out the data sets for gender versus so female, male, and then others. In accuracy model, we can find out our model accuracy. In this project, we are using 4 algorithms, right? So first algorithms is written to 94% and second algorithms also give the 94%, and KNN algorithm is our third algorithm. So it's also give the 94%. But decision tree only gives the 91% accuracy. In that way, we can easily find out our accuracy. And next I move to the prediction module. In prediction module, we can enter the data. After that, we can predict the module. So first I enter the gender and then age. And then I give the hypertension mode. And heart disease are there. So I enter the yes. And the marital status and working type. And then residence type. And then I enter the glucose level. So and then I move to the BMI level. And then I enter the smoking status. And I click the predict button. Now it's written the results. So patient does not have a stroke. So that in that way we can easily find out the brain stroke. Thank you for watching.